Let's begin. Sit straight. Keep your back, neck, and head in a straight line. Relax your shoulders. Gently close your eyes. Let's take this next 30 minutes to connect to the divine, to connect to our dear Hanumanji. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us first take the blessings from Bhagwan Ganesha. All together. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Let's take the blessings from Bhagwan Ganesha. And let us also offer our gratitude to him for helping us and removing all the obstacles in this journey. Today we will be completing the learning of Hanuman Chalisa. So let us offer our gratitude to Bhagwan Ganesha for supporting us in the last 12 days. Slowly blink your eyes open. Let us start the revision. Repeat after me. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे हो तन आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुखल है तुम्हारी चरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै तीनों लोग हांकते कांपै भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटई मिटई सब पीरा, जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलबीरा। Last four verses of the Chaupa, last four Chaupais in Hanuman Chalisa. Jaya, Jaya, Jaya. Three times. Jaya, Jaya, Jaya. Hanumana, Hanumana. Gosai, Gosai. Jaya, Jaya, Jaya. Hanumana, Gosai, Gosai. Kripa, Kripa. This is K with this is the R. So it is Kripa. It's not it's not Kr, it's Kr. And it's not Kru either. It's not Krupa or Krapa. It is Kripa. Just say Kr. Kripa Karahu. Kripa Karahu. कृपा करहु गुरुदेव गुरुदेव की गुरुदेव की. This is dirgha, so you have to say ki. Gurudev ki nai. Gurudev ki nai. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई. कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. कृपा करहु करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. So again it rhymes. Gosai, here it is nai. So jaya 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 3 times. Jaya means victory. So Tulsidas ji is saying victory, victory, victory to whom? To Hanumanji. And Tulsidas ji is requesting Hanumanji, Kripa Karahu. Kripa means compassion, mercy. In Tamil we say Dayavu Seidu. So Kripa Karahu. Kripa Karahu Guru Devaki Nai, which means Gurudeva, please bless me by being my Guru. So Hanumanji is the epitome of strength, knowledge, wisdom. We saw all those qualities, isn't it, in the Dhyana Shloka. So we are, Tulsidas ji is, in a way, he is asking us to request, to plead with Hanumanji to be our Guru. So that is the meaning of this line. So let us chant. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai. कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई. In MS Subbulakshmi Amma's rendition, she repeats this line 2 times. The first Jai Jai Hanuman Gosai two times, and then she moves on to Kripa Karahu. So let's try that. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai. कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. (38) verse. जो सत बार. सत बार. This is not a normal ba. No need of a mahaprana. It's not a mahaprana. So just say bara. Patha. Ta is mahaprana. So it's not pata. It is patha. Use little more aspiration and say patha. Patha kara. Patha kara. Koi. Koi. जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई. जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई. Chutahi. This is Mahaprana cha. So not cha. You have to say with aspiration. Chutahi. Chutahi bandi. Bandi. This is half na. So you have to say bandi. Bandi maha sukha. Ka is Mahaprana. Maha sukha hoi. First line koi. Second line hoi. Chutahi banti महा सुख होई. जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई. छूटहि बंदी महा सुख होई. So here Tulsidas ji is again talking more about the phala of chanting Hanuman Chalisa. So he says that one who recites Hanuman Chalisa for 100 times, Satabara. Satabara means Sata means 100, centum, century, right? That Satabara times, 100 times. Patakar Koi. So here, Patakar Koi is reciting. Whoever recites Hanuman Chalisa for 100 times, for that person, Mahasukha, he will be blessed with the highest bliss. He will experience the highest bliss, Mahasukha. And also he will be all the bondages, here he is talking about Chutahi Bandi, all the bondage of life and death, he will be freed from it. So eventually he will be blessed with moksha. That is the phala that Tulsidas ji is bringing about in this verse. Let's chant. जो सत पार पाठ कर कोई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई. Next verse. जो यह padai. This is Mahaprana dha. In English, it's mentioned R with a dot, but it is dha. Mahaprana dha. But padai. Hanumana Chalisa. Hanumana Chalisa. It's not Chalisa, it is Chalisa. जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा होय siddhi. There is a Mahaprana half the here. So you have to say siddhi. Sakhi. Mahaprana kha and it is dirgha. So you have to say sakhi. Gaurisa. Sakhi. Gaurisa. This is again very popular verse. जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा. So here again he talks about the phala, the benefit of chanting. Jo yah, whoever reads, padai. So he's not talking about singing or singing in a tune. He says read. Padai means reads. Who reads Hanumana Chalisa. So even if you're not getting the tune, doesn't matter. Just you can read Jo yah padai Hanumana Chalisa. Just read the all the 40 chaupais. That in itself has benefit. जो यह पढ़ई Hanumana Chalisa. What benefit he is going to get? He will get siddhi. Siddhi means powers, strength. We spoke about Ashta Siddhis, right? So siddhi is power. And this, who is giving the guarantee? The guarantee is Bhagavan Shiva himself. Gaurisa. Gaurisa means the Lord of Gauri. The husband of Gauri is Bhagavan Shiva. So Bhagavan Shiva himself is Sakshi. He bears witness to this. So Sakshi we have heard, right? So that is what he sings, Sakhi Gaurisa. Let's chant. जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा, जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साकी गौरीसा, होय सिद्धि साकी गौरीसा, जो यह पढ़ै हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साकी गौरी सा। लास्ट वर्स। तुलसीदास तुलसी तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। की जय। की, this is dirgha, so you have to say की जय नाथ। नाथ, th is Mahaprana, so you have to say th, नाथ। की जय नाथ हृदय, this is hr, हृदय, heart, हृदय। हृदय maha, maha, this is with um, Anuswara, so you have to say Maha, Maha Dera. की जयनाथ हृदय महा डेरा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा। की जयनाथ हृदय महा डेरा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा। की जयनाथ hridaya maha dera. So here, finally, in the last verse, Tulsidas ji, who is the author, he brings up his name. So he says that Tulsidas, who is the Sada Hari Chera. Sada Hari Chera means the eternal servant of Hari, Bhagavan Vishnu. He says, "O dear Lord, Ki Jai Nath, Hridaya Mahadera, make your home in my heart." So that is his final, prayer after completing writing the Hanuman Chalisa. He says that I want to be your eternal servant, and please make your home, please make my heart as your home. So such a beautiful line to end. And when we chant, we can also visualize the divine taking presence in our heart. Let us chant. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा। की जयनाथ हृदय महडेरा। की जयनाथ हृदय महडेरा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा। की जयनाथ हृदय महडेरा। Let's chant the 4 verses together. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई। छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़ै हनुमान चालीसा। जो यह पढ़ै हनुमान चालीसा। होय सिद्धि साकी गौरी सा। होय सिद्धि साकी गौरी सा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। की नाथ हृदय महडेरा। की नाथ हृदय महडेरा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी। जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी। जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की। That is how MS Subbulakshmi Ma ends with a little more faster the last line. So what I was planning is to finish the concluding Doha today, and tomorrow we will not have the session. We will again meet on Friday. Yes, Kritika?
Auntie, I joined for my mother's because I'm in the camp.
No
Could you
problem.
hear me? Okay. For I had a doubt for one sloka. For 29th one.
Sanjita, can I request you to wait till I'll finish this Doha and then we will discuss the doubt. Is that fine?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I was planning to do this Doha and the Dhyana Shloka tomorrow, but that will be too short. So what I was thinking is today we will complete the Doha so that the whole Hanuman Chalisa is complete. The Dhyana Shloka along with the revision we will do on Friday. So tomorrow there is no session. Let's conclude with the final Doha. So here this is not in MS Subbulakshmi Ma's rendition, this is not included, but this is there in as part of Hanuman Chalisa. Pavana Tanaya. Pavana Tanaya Sankata. Pavana Tanaya Sankata Harana. Pavana Tanaya Sankata Harana Mangala. Mangala Murati. Murati Rupa. Rupa. Mangalamurati Rupa. Rama Lakhana Sita Sahita. Rama Lakhana Sita Sahita. Hridaya. Hridaya Basahu. Basahu Sura Bhupa. Bhupa. Mahaprana Bha and Dirgha. So Bhupa. Pavana Tanaya Sankata Harana Mangala Murati Rupa Rama Lakhana Sita Sahita Hridaya Basahu Sura Bhupa. So here Tulsidas ji is giving us the conclusion. He says Pavana Tanaya. So he is the son of the wind god, right? Pavana Kumara. So son of the wind god. Sankata Harana. Again, banisher of sorrows. The word Sankata keeps repeating over and over again. So we will remember that whenever there is a Sankata, Hanumanji is there. So he is the banisher. Harana. Harana means, he banishes the sorrows. Mangala Murati Rupa. He is the embodiment. He is the epitome of auspiciousness, Mangalam. Mangala Murati Rupa. Now, what is the final request? He says that dwell in my heart. Hridaya Basahu. Okay, Hridaya Basahu. Sura Bhupa. Sura means, so we know Asura, right? Asura is all the demons. Sura means all the Devatas. All the Devatas. Bhupa. Bhupa means king of all the deities. So, Tulsidas ji is saying, dwell in my heart, O the king of all the Devatas and deities. How? Along with Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita. So whenever you see picture of Hanumanji, you will always see he is with Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita together. Right? That Pattabhisheka picture where Hanumanji is lying at the feet of Bhagavan Rama. That shows how, there is no ego in him at all. He has so much of power, so much of strength. He has Ashta Siddhis, but there is no ounce of ego in his mind. He is like, he's very happy to be just right beside the feet of Bhagavan Rama. So that shows his humility. And if along with strength and everything, what we can also imbibe from Bhagavan Hanuman is humility, which is very much needed in today's times. So the concluding doha, there is no tune as such. So how I usually read is this. Pavanatanaye Sankataharana Mangalamurati Rupa. Pavanatanaye Sankataharana Mangalamurati Rupa. Rama Lakhana Sita Sahita Hridaya Basahu Surabhupa. After you finish reading Hanuman Chalisa, you can just close your eyes and conclude with this doha. Pavanatanaye Sankataharana Mangalamurati Rupa. Rama Lakhana Sita Sahita Hridaya Basahu Surabhupa. Let us sit straight. Gently close your eyes. Bring your hands to Namaskara Mudra. We will conclude with this concluding doha. Feel the complete meaning of this concluding doha. Contemplate on it. Repeat after me. Pavanatanaye Sankataharana Mangalamurati Rupa. Rama Lakhana Sita Sahita Hridaya Basahu Surabhupa. One more time. Pavanatanaye Sankataharana Mangalamurati Rupa. Rama Lakhana Sita Sahita Hridaya Basahu Surabhupa. Let us take the blessings of Hanumanji along with Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita Ma. Let us also offer our gratitude to Tulsidas ji for giving us Hanuman Chalisa. Slowly blink your eyes open. Okay, so we have concluded all the chaupais along with the dohas. Sanjita, you had a doubt?
Yes, Auntie, can I proceed?
Yes, please.
I had a I had a doubt in 29th was Charo Yuga Pratapa Tumara they have given. Can we, Jaga, can we also say Yuga?
Yes. So wherever j is there, you can use ya also. Like in some places, it is juga. In Tamil, it is written as yuga.
Okay.
Yeah, I
And I
also
have
say yuga only.
another doubt also.
Ah,
For Janama, you're telling, but when I heard while was singing, I heard it as Janma. Can we also tell like that?
janama, janma. Yeah, it is fine. I think
Okay.
it is
I
the
have,
dialect, how this is not in Hindi and it is not in Sanskrit. So it is in Awadhi dialect. So maybe there they use janama. But in Tamil, we write janma.
yeah, I'm asking, can we tell Janma
Yes,
itself?
should be fine. Meaning
Okay.
is the same.
That's all I'm saying.
Okay, thank you everyone. See you on Friday.